Hi, this is Ivy and Lorie with mamasgeeky.com, and we're going to unbox a present from the Easter Bunny! Hi, this is Ivy with mamasgeeky.com.
Special delivery from
The Easter Bunny.
It came today while you were at school. Are you ready to open it up?
Yes! I'm so excited. Even though I'm 5 and pre-game, but so excited.
Here you go.
Here you go, Lorie. You get to unbox the thing, and I get to show them this. Very cool. A little beans. This is Calico Critters Aquabeads. Oh, we have watched this before. This is, you have to spray it with water to keep all of the little beads in place. Very cool. And then you have to let it dry. Yeah, dry for about 5 or 10 minutes. Yeah, you starting. I want to open it. So let's open up our eggs. Oh, candy! How should I know? And then this is the Calico Critters Baby Castle Playground. It's Calico Critters Baby Choo-choo train set. They both come with little characters inside the actual package. Yeah, and hey, the other 2 Calico Critters stuff we could put with these sets. Here we go, my little guy, and then on this package, there he is. It's like Calico Critters, like little soups that you could see on the back. All of them you could get, and on the front. Very cool. So let's see who we got. So, I can see some blue and tan in there. Oh, I think it's going to be that guy. I think it's going to be my guy because there's blue and tan. Oh, there's its little package. Oh, it's him! It's the guy you have. I knew it was going to be the guy I have. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, I knew it was going to be the guy I have. Look, it's my guy. So these 2 could drive in the train and be the conductors. They can be... One of them could be the conductor first, and then they will swap. This one be a train, and then this one be a conductor. Perfect! So now I have to open his little extra to play with the conductor and in the train. Whoa. Here's my set. Look at this. My bunny, she's so cute. Oh, can I be so fast? Pink is my favorite. Pink and red are my 2 favorite colors. And this needs some scissoring, Kima. Blue and orange are my favorite colors, so it's perfect because he has a blue dress on. Perfect for me. Right. 1, 2, 3. So it's very cool. Look, you could actually put this cover and go. Oh man, they actually make the real sound. Yeah, cool. So Calico Critters are really cool. So, Mommy, can you open this? I want every time the Easter Bunny to give us Calico Critters because Calico Critters are very cool. Right? You can get all little guys in these versions. You can get bunnies, bears, puppies, tigers, kitties and tigers. You can get these little instrument packs where you get a guy and an instrument to come with it, and an instrument to come with it, so they can play along. So I wonder what this little tiger has to play. I don't know what this one is. Oh, it's a little tambourine. Then so why does it have a side? Look, I'm just so excited. I have to play right now. And hey! Can I play with you? Sure. It's our own little playground. Mine went down the side. Mine over across, up and around. My pet set, my team is still open. Yeah. My twin, and the playground that's attaching to it is here now. So can't wait to attach us together soon. Hey, do you want to play with me? Here, you could drive in a train. It's really fun. Conducted, well, look, it's going to be a little cooler thingy here. It's so cool, Calico Critters. Hey, my twin's still getting open. His twin is still getting opened. He's waiting for his twin. I'm waiting for my twin. I'm driving the train, you know what? Can't be late, do be late. Fine. Hop in the back, buddy friend. Buddy friend? Yeah. Oh, twin! You have to wait for the next stop. I'm gonna put my stickers on my castle, and I'll let you know. Hey, can I'll let you see when I'm done putting on the stickers. So you guys are gonna love my butterflies. They're gonna be all over the place, and you guys are gonna love this. You get to design the butterflies. I want beautiful stuff, and I think so. If you don't have if it doesn't have a number, it can go anywhere. But if it has a number, it has to go in a certain place. Okay? So I'm doing my little butterflies. Oh, butterflies in the sky. Butterfly in the sky, I can fly twice as high. Take a look, it's in a book, read it, rainbow. And my little guy took a dance. Hey, buddy friend, would you like to come and play with my twin Abby? Oh yeah, I'm decorating my castle. Well, does it look awesome? You get to be in the back. I'm going around. Whee! So you have to unattach these for now because you are hopping in now. Whee! It's so much fun. Don't forget to go backwards. It's so much fun. Want to play with me? Not yet. I'm busy decorating my house, like I said before. Decorating is always better from before doing. And look, you can unattach them. It's kind of hard to unattach them. I don't unattach them. Hey, you can unattach them. That's not what I'm looking. Oh, there we go. So as you can see, these are two little Subway pieces. And this has to go in the front. Whoa. Let's keep on falling. Slippery, slippery, slippery guy. Oh. At first they didn't want to, and now they don't want to go out. They're clever together. So funny. As you can see, I play these two as twins because they are the same. Right here is what I put. I put a butterfly right here. Mom put on these stickers. Here's a plant, and then turn it around. Turn. And there's a flower. And then let me talk about more. There's butterflies all over here. And then we have music. Music steps. So, here's the first one. Here's the second one. So here it goes. That's the sound I'm gonna do when they step on these stairs. And then so there's here the second one, and here's the third one. First one. Second one. Third one. So this here's the sandbox as I was talking about. It does a good thing because they will slide into the sandbox. And what I want to talk about is this little plaque. It can't really turn. Oh, can. Look at this. Calico Critters are the best! Comment down below what was your favorite part of this. And see you next time. This is Ivy with mamasgeeking.com, and don't forget to like and comment below. Make sure to subscribe with more videos like this. We love Calico Critters.